Go with the flow. Mastering questions and negations with Go Phrasal Verbs. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to delve into an exciting part of the English language, phrasal verbs. Specifically, we're focusing on Go Phrasal Verbs and how to use them in questions and negations. Phrasal verbs can seem tricky, but with practice, you'll go far in your English language journey. Phrasal verbs consist of a verb and one or more additional words, typically prepositions or adverbs. When it comes to Go Phrasal Verbs, go is the main verb, and it pairs with other words to take on new meanings. Some common examples include go on, continue, go over, review, and go through, experience or examine. Creating questions with phrasal verbs follows the same rules as other English questions. The auxiliary verb usually comes first, followed by the subject, then the verb, and finally the particle. For example, are you going on with the project? Or, have they gone through the report? To form negative sentences with phrasal verbs, you typically insert not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For instance, I will not go over the notes, or she has not gone through the changes. Let's see some examples now. 1. Go on, continue. 2. Question. Will you go on with your speech? 3. Negation. I will not go on with my speech. 4. Go over. Review. 5. Question. Can we go over the plans tomorrow? 6. Negation. We will not go over the plans tomorrow. 7. Go through. Experience or examine. 8. Question. Have you gone through the new guidelines? 9. Negation. They have not gone through the new guidelines. Remember, the best way to learn these is to practice. So try creating your own questions and negations with Go Phrasal Verbs. And that's a wrap for today's session on Go Phrasal Verbs in questions and negations. Phrasal verbs may seem a bit complex at first, but with some practice, you'll certainly get the hang of it. Remember, mastering these will add depth and fluency to your English conversations. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!